Can you tell me, Del, obviously we could have variations in room numbers, but what should a landlord be paying to furnish an HMO? Is there a ballpark figure per room, or what should they be looking to pay?
For us, for when we're selling it, it does depend on the size of the HMO.
Yeah.
Because the per room price would come down if we was doing a 20-bed HMO.
Yeah, of course.
But if you were looking at, say, a 4-bed with everything you need just for the bedrooms, you're probably looking at £2,500. So it's 600 quid a room. That's including the VAT and installation.
Yeah.
I know, like, some guys will go to the flat pack companies, and that's where obviously ours comes ready assembled, and when we install it for you, it's just it might seem cheap at the checkout. It's just the pain, the poor soul to.
And I don't know about. For me personally, I'd be a bit concerned about letting somebody sleep in a bed that I'd put together myself from IKEA. That would be like a concern to me. Even hanging a picture on the wall, I'd be scared they might be falling off, and like I'd be getting somebody in to do all of that. So
yeah, I can imagine. Put a mattress on the floor.
Yeah. So that's great that you come in, you install, because that's going to save you a day on labour costs or bringing somebody in to do that.
Yeah. We just turn up in the morning, the guys install it, take all the rubbish away, and then away we go. It depends what the landlord wants at the end of the day, or the investor wants.
Yeah.
It depends on their budget, and it depends on how involved they are. I meet loads and loads of landlords that are just hands-on with everything, which is great. I'd like to be able to do a lot of the stuff they do. You know, that they'll do the refurb, they'll do everything, and they're happy to sit there for a day or two putting furniture together.
Yeah.
And the results great. So it's, it's each to their own.
Yeah. Thank you.